Hi everyone, welcome, and thank you for joining us today in the Golf Cart Garage as we help new owners take a look at the battery compartment of an electric golf cart. Actually, we'll take a look at two battery compartments to help show more than one example. Maybe you just got your first cart, or it came with a property you bought, you inherited it, or it was a stray you rescued. Lots of folks aren't sure what they got, so let's take a look. Sometimes there will be a label to tell you what your batteries are, but if there's not, we can still easily figure it out. Each water cap on a golf cart battery is covering a cell worth 2 volts. This is true for all batteries, so 6-volt batteries have 3 caps, 8-volt batteries have 4, and 12-volt batteries have 6 caps each. When you know what each battery's voltage is, add them up for the cart total. Today we're looking at two 48-volt carts, one with 6 8-volt batteries and one with 4 12-volt batteries. A 36-volt cart would usually have 6 6-volt batteries, but sometimes 3 12. No matter what batteries you have, Golf Cart Garage can help get them replaced or charged, or both, better than anyone else. Our resources section covers more FAQs and tons more information, including articles and maintenance on common issues. So stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call, 1-800-401-2934 to outfit your cart today. Our care specialists would love to answer all your questions, help provide service, or place orders right over the phone. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCG TV.